Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's videos I want to show you how to make this medicinal Nigerian black soup. So first of all, I wash the meat. In this soup I use pomo and fish, so you can use any fish of your choice. You can use any meat of your choice, whatever you have around. So I wash it and I season it. I add a little water. Put the meat on fire. So while the meat is on fire, I bring out my palm paste, my banga, add water to it. This process, you can either pour the banga directly into the pot, or you can do it like this. The reason why I do it like this is in case if there's dirty, I can see it, or if there is sand also, so that when I pour it, I will not pour everything on the down. So that's why I do it like this. Ready, so I pour in the paste and I stir it very well. After that, I sliced my bitter leaf. So this bitter leaf is frozen one. I have to boil it first and wash it. So I decided to slice it. After I've washed it, I decided to blend it again so that they can give me that smooth texture. So I pour it inside the pot and I allow it to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. And here is the result. So here I will just add my fish and then wait for it to ready. So guys, this is the final result. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.